So how does T cell maturation change the T cell receptor? So a T cell receptor is membrane bound, and it's very similar to the top bit is very similar to the function of the FAB fragments of antibodies. It's made up of two polypeptide chains of either alpha or beta or gamma or sigma chains. So you can see here it's either an alpha chain and a beta chain, or it would either be a gamma chain and a sigma chain. It has three regions: the top bit, which is variable, much like the FAB fragment, a constant region, and then a transmembrane region, and often a hinge. It only recognises antigens, which are surface proteins, which are on host cells, which are the MHC1 or the MHC2 molecules, and requires antigen presentation to them to be activated. So MHC TCR complexes, which are when the T cell receptors bind to the MHC molecules, and CD4 and CD8 co-receptors result in intracellular signalling, which strengthens this bonding and complex between the MHC and the TCR. Co-stimulation only occurs with professional antigen-presenting cells, and it's further strengthened by interaction of CD28 T cells and B7 antigen-presenting cells. All of this activation results in a cell signaling cascade and further proliferation and differentiation of T cells. This further activation results in expressions of interleukins and interleukin receptors, and it's very short-lived but can lead to long-term immunological memory, which results in another activation upon secondary infection.